Animation takes a long time. We're working pretty much every day now. Whoever wants to join us will be here every day. So we work a little bit in everything, and the challenging is really to craft everything. Today we are finishing the two main characters, and we're going to teach a little bit of animation. We'll start with the one-shots on the field, and the characters will be picking the crops.
The differences definitely won't work for the green screen.
We're going to work with lighting. So with that, we're going to shoot a little scene or two just to test it out.
The plan is to film today. They've been working, building the sets, making the story. My name is Nicole Santiago, and I am a filmmaker. I'm just here to help on the production side of things however I can. My favorite part about production is camera and lighting. I've never done stop motion, but I think it'll be a cool experiment.
Flooring. This is the terracotta that's going down on a black piece of paper, and then this is going to look like terracotta, and then we have lines coming this way. This is the final piece. So you can see it's got a 3D aspect to it. Looks like it's actually tile.
You have the objects, you have the subjects of the story, but light is its own character.
Lighting is important because it sets the mood of the film, and it's what gives shape to the entire scene.
Right now we're working on lighting the scene of the field with the goats and the cabbage field, and we're learning about lighting and green screens. Lighting specifically, we're just learning like where to place it and how we can diffuse the light, and we need a soft light and a harsher light to have more dimensionality. It's just basic table lights, but she said we can use anything. It just depends like how you use them. Like they made a little goat, and the goat looks so happy, and they're the little kids in the field. So it's like the opening shot today.
It's going really so well, and the main thing is that people are really having fun. And it's incredible what all the talents, when you put all the talents together, it's amazing what they can do.